to install Angular, you need to search Angular, and using first site you will be headed to angular.io site, and here you can see or read out all the things about Angular. I will go to docs, then after docs we will go to our getting started, then in this we'll go to setup. In setup, setting up the local environment and workspace in our, you can say, PC. For Angular, prerequisite sites are JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and some sort knowledge of TypeScript. We will be needing node.js for installing Angular, so we have to first install Node. Just search down, and on searching down you can go for first link, that is nodejs.org, and it will be headed to download section only. You can use version. Here it is 20.12.2, that is one of the latest versions, and for Windows running on x64-bit installer. So I have downloaded my MSI file, one of the exe files, you can say, and I will minimize this, and from the download section I will double click on this, so it will start installation. Welcome to the Node.js setup wizard. It will take some time to compute space requirements, then migrating feature states from related applications. Then setup wizard will start installation. So you have to click on next, then accept the terms and the license, then next. Then this is, you can change it here. This is the default folder of Node.js. Then we will be using node.js runtime, as it is being great for our Node.js thing. And you can also install Chocolately with Node.js. It's up to you, you want to install or not. Then click on next. Then it will start. On clicking install button, it will start the installation. You can start it by clicking on install. After clicking install, it will start a particular setup wizard installation of Node.js. Status, this line will go all green in some moments. I'm not doing this. I will cancel this because I have installed my version, Node.js version. So it will go green. All the things, it will set up our Node.js. You also have to click the finish button. After that we will come to CMD. In CMD you can search node space -v, which will give you the latest version or version you have installed. I have installed 18.18 version. I will start my CMD. I will go to, let's first in Angular, let's see what we have. Angular requires active LTS or maintenance LTS version of Node.js. We will be installing Angular using np package manager, that is node package manager. So this is the code, or this is the, you can say, instruction to install Angular CLI, which is used to create projects, generate application and library code, and perform a variety of ongoing development tasks. So I will copy this code and run it, not in here, we will run in a particular folder. Let's first get to desktop, that is cd desktop. Then after desktop I will minimize this, just a moment. I will create a particular folder in desktop, like new, then folder. Let's give it a name like, not Angular, because I have a particular folder naming Angular. Let's give it another name like Angular 2. And I will open this, then I will select this and type CMD and press enter. On pressing enter, it will start our terminal in our particular module folder, Angular 2 folder. Here I will run this command, that is npm install -g space -g space @angular/cli. This will install Angular in our folder. Okay, it will start installing Angular and create. Let's first thing, it's running. Okay, it takes much time. Let's wait for some time. And on Windows client computers, the execution of PowerShell scripts is disabled by default. To allow the execution of PowerShell scripts, you can run this command, but let's see. But I have done it and I didn't needed it. Okay, let's see what happens. It takes much time. And okay, added 46 packages, remove 55 packages, 44 packages are looking for funding, run npm from for details. We don't have to do much of the things. Let's copy this. Okay, and run. Let's see what it gives. As I know, we don't need it, but let's see what happens. Okay, it's not recognized. Okay, it's not a matter of fact. So after installing our Angular CLI, let's create a particular workspace or initial application using this command, that is ng-new. ng-new and our app name.